No, you go. I'll just keep filming you, it's fun.
There's a couple good jumps coming up, buddy, like fucking 20 in a row. Woohoo! Let me go in front. After this one, go wide. Oh, going into Seymour, what the fuck? I thought we were doing crank it up. Oh, never mind, this one's the good one. This is where all the jumps are. Yo! Yeah, boy. I laid that one out there for those kids. Ew! Me and you are just cooking her up. Follow down of the fucking day. I'm literally haven't left your back tire the whole time. I was way too deep though. Whoa. Ow! Fuck that one up, bro. These laps are so long, it's fucked.